Good morning, students. Take out your SST book, notebook, and pencil box with you. Take out your pencil. Are you ready, students? Okay, very good. Today we will start our new chapter. Chapter number 9, our school. Take out your SST book. Open lesson 9. Open. Very good. Open page number 37. Students, why do we come to school? We come to school to learn good manners, to learn different things. What is your school name? Yes, Little Flower Senior Secondary School, Kheda. School is a place of learning. School is a place of learning. स्कूल एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे हम बहुत सारी चीज़ सीखते हैं, लिखते हैं, पढ़ते हैं और बहुत सारी चीज़ों को सीखते हैं. गुड मैनर्स ऑल्सो. ओके. In the school we learn how to read and write. Read means पढ़ना and write means लिखना. Learn different subjects. Different subjects: computer, Hindi, English, math, okay, science, SST, GK, and so on. Learn drawing and craft, painting, drawing, craft work, okay. Learn music and dance. Music period, we learn music. In dance period, dance classes, attend the dance classes. Learn good manners. Play and have fun there. In games period, play different type of games, different type of activities, and different type of days. Also, we celebrate in the school, like National Days, Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. And some other important days are Teachers Day, National Days. Teachers Day, Children's Day. Okay, Sports Day. Let's start our chapter. Why do we come to school? Yes, students, we come to school to learn different things. School is a place of learning. In the school, we learn read and write. We learn different type of subject. We learn good manners. Let's start our chapter. All of you put finger on your book. Take out your index finger. Put finger here. School is a place of learning. School is a home for learning. In the school, we learn how to read and write. Learn about computers. Learn painting and music there. Learn good manners also. All of you read with me. Learn good manners also. Play and have fun there. Our teachers teach us and love us. Okay. See the next para. School building. Every school has a building. Our school has a big building. Which type of building, students? Big building. It has many classrooms. It has an assembly hall and big playground. It has in your school assembly ground is there and more than one playground. A canteen and a bookshop are also there. All of you read with me. Our school has a big building. It has many classrooms. It has an assembly hall and a big playground. A canteen and a bookshop are also there. Okay. See the third paragraph. School staff. May I erase it, students? Okay. Very good. School staff. Who is the head of your school? Yes, principal. Who is the head of the school? principal. Who is your principal? Yes, Father Sazi, respected Father Sazi. Principal is the head of the school. All of you, look here. Principal is the head of the school. Who is the head of the school? Principal. Who is the head of the school, all of you? Principal. He or she looks after all the activities in the school. Okay. There are two types of staff in the school. Teaching staff and non-teaching staff. Teachers come under the teaching staff. Non-teaching staff like clerks, gardener, watchman, sweeper. Okay. Look here. There are two types of staff. Teaching staff it means teachers. Okay. Non-teaching staff clerks, watchman, clerk, watchman, gardener, sweeper, and so on. School staff. Principal is the head of the school. Okay. There are two types of staff in the school. Teaching staff it means teachers. Non-teaching staff, clerk in administration departments. Okay. And watchman, sweeper, gardener, and okay, students. Let's read our paragraph. School staff. Principal is the head of the school. All of you speak. Principal is the head of the school. He or she looks after all the activities in the school. There are many teachers in the school. They teach us different subjects. Different means various subjects, math, science, Hindi, English, and so on. Turn the page. Page number 38. See, what is this? What is this? Library. In your school also have a library. School has a library, na? Yes. The librarian looks after the books in the library. Library में books की देखभाल कौन करता है? Librarian. Okay. लाइब्रेरी एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ से हम बुक्स बोरो कर सकते हैं, बुक्स ले सकते हैं पढ़ने के लिए. स्टोरीज बुक्स, योर सब्जेक्ट बुक्स, ओके, मैगजीन ऑल्सो, न्यूज़पेपर ऑल्सो. द स्वीपर कीप्स द स्कूल क्लीन. दिस इन योर स्कूल, आंटी जी. द वॉचमैन गार्ड्स द स्कूल एट द गेट. लुक हियर. द गार्डनर looks after the school garden. Who looks after the school? Who look after the school garden? Gardener. Okay. Next para. The classroom. In school, we sit in our classroom. Classroom. Our school has many classrooms. Okay, students, we sit in our classroom. There are tables. क्या क्या आप देखते हैं क्लास में? टेबल. और क्या देखते हैं? ब्लैक बोर्ड और ग्रीन बोर्ड. chalk, dustbin, ये सब आप देखते हैं ना क्लास में. There are table and chairs, desks and benches for us. There is a table and chair for the teacher. The teacher used the board to write and draw. This is green board. Okay, students. Turn the page. There is a display board. This is display board. This is the picture of display board. Okay. Page number 39. We display our activities there. There is a waste paper bin. Yes, waste paper bin. We throw waste paper into it. There is a cupboard for books. There are pictures, maps and charts on the walls. See here. Our classroom is big and airy. Okay, students. We should keep our classroom neat and clean. It is our duty. Okay. Tomorrow we will continue the same chapter. Your homework is read chapter 9. Now it's time to leave. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.